Yeshua, I need you more than words could ever say. Yeshua, I need you every moment, every day. Be the flame within my soul, be the one who makes me whole. Yeshua, I need you. When I fall and lose my way, when my faith begins to shake, you whisper peace into my fear. Even when I feel so far, you are always near. You are gentle with my heart.